All rise. Judge Bundaby, court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1040, Golden case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Belk, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Well, long story short, I was put on child support by my baby's mother. Mm-hmm. And for the past year, I've basically been having full custody. Not legal, of course. She comes and goes as she pleases, pops up unannounced, and I'm here today to place her on child support.
Okay. How old is your child?
My child is 4 years old.
Boy or girl?
She's a little girl.
Okay. 4. And you said mom just pops up every now and then. For the past year, your daughter has been living with you?
Completely careless.
All right. In true one. All right, folks, buckle up.
Today, we're diving into a standout case. Mr. Bill is in court seeking to modify his child support arrangement. He explains that for the past year, he's had full custody of his 4-year-old daughter, while the mother has been mostly absent, showing up only occasionally. Now, Mr. Bill is requesting that she be placed on child support. As the judge opens the session, Mr. Bill lays out his case, setting the stage for a compelling discussion on parental responsibility and financial obligation. This case is a textbook example of how a shift in custody can flip the entire support dynamic, and things are about to get interesting.
What is she doing? Do you know?
I have no idea. I've heard here and there that she's really living that party life, so I mean, that's none of my business, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm just here for my daughter and to take care of her.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Do you know where mom worked last? Do you know how much money she makes?
I do not, Your Honor, I do not have that information with me.
Okay. When was the last time you actually seen her?
As of today, it's been about 4 months.
Oh, okay. Okay. And that was the last time your daughter has seen her too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So this what we'll do immediately. It's obvious that she gave the child to you and you are her primary caretaker now. So it wouldn't be fair to continue your child support obligation. So what we're going to do is stop yours and then start a child support obligation on her.
Bill takes the stand and calmly explains that he's been the primary caregiver for his daughter over the past year. He shares that the mother has been inconsistent, dropping in unannounced and seemingly living a party lifestyle, leaving him to shoulder the full responsibility of raising their child. While he admits he doesn't have clear details about her current job or income, Mr. Bill is clear about one thing. He's here to make sure his daughter's needs are met. This segment offers a raw and honest glimpse into the emotional and financial challenges of single parenting, and underscores the reality of co-parenting when one parent checks out.
Where she is, you haven't seen her in the past 4 months. How many other children does she have?
She has 3 children.
Including your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I don't have any financial information in front of me for her, but what I can do is put her on child support based on what it would be around minimum wage.
Okay.
For 3 kids. Do you have health insurance on your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
How much is it?
It's around $650, $675.
Is that for you and the child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many people are on that insurance?
It's just me and her.
Okay. So what I'll do is I'll divide that by 2 because by law, she's only required to carry health insurance for the child only.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll make her child support set at minimum wage, which is around $230.
The judge rules decisively. Since Mr. Bill has been the primary caregiver, it's only fair to terminate his child support obligation and shift the financial responsibility to the mother. Despite her absence, the court still holds her accountable. With no income documentation provided, the judge calculates her support based on minimum wage and includes health insurance costs, setting her monthly obligation at $550. This segment drives home a vital point. The legal system is designed to protect the child's well-being. Financial responsibility doesn't vanish just because a parent walks away. The obligation remains, whether present or not.
75. So her child support obligation will come out to $550.50 every month.
All right.
All right. And that's what we'll do. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge Vonda delivers a firm and thoughtful summary. She emphasizes that when a parent voluntarily relinquishes custody, they also take on the financial responsibility to support that child. It's not optional. It's the law. She underscores a key point: showing up to court matters. Ignoring legal papers doesn't make the problem disappear. It only makes it worse. This case is a powerful reminder of the serious obligations tied to parenting. Through all the emotion and legal twists, one truth stands tall. The court always prioritizes the child's well-being. In the end, it's not about punishment, it's about accountability.
You all witnessed in the Belt case. Dad was ordered to pay child support previously. Child was living with mom. Well, what did you hear interesting about that case? The child has now been living with dad for the past year. So it wouldn't be fair to keep dad on child support. Therefore, his case needs to be modified. Well, what mom did is known as voluntary relinquishment. What is that exactly? Voluntary relinquishment is when one parent gives up their possession of the child to the other parent. When that occurs, the parent who gave up the child should then start paying child support. So that's why in this case, mom was ordered to pay child support to dad. Something else you may have noticed, mom was not present for court. Remember, guys, like we've discussed in our previous episodes, make sure that when you are served with papers to be in court, you always...
Mom was officially ordered to pay child support, and one major detail stood out. She didn't even show up to court. As we've said in previous episodes, when you're served legal papers, you show up. Ignoring the process doesn't make it disappear. Judge Vonda wrapped up the case by driving home two key points. First, when a parent voluntarily gives up custody, they take on financial responsibility. Second, when custody changes, child support arrangements must change too. The court's number one priority is always the child's well-being. This case is a powerful reminder that parenting isn't just emotional. It's a lifelong legal and financial commitment.
About 4 months.
Oh, okay. Okay, and that was the last time your daughter has seen her too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So this what we'll do immediately. It's obvious that she gave the child to you and you are her primary caretaker now, so it wouldn't be fair to continue your child support obligation. So what we're going to do is stop yours and then start a child support obligation on her.